I am so excited about this segment because, you know, it's a brand new year, a great time to sit down, look at your finances, and really start over. It's a chance to start over. So, Brent, you are here from Wilsey Asset Management, and we're calling this segment Let's Talk Money with Brent Wilsey. Tell me a little bit about what it is that you do for people who aren't familiar with your face, because you've been on a lot of our shows.
Sure. What we do is we manage about an $800 million portfolio for businesses and clients and 401ks. And what we do is it's called a value investor. We actually manage a portfolio for people. We don't buy mutual funds. We don't invest in ETFs. We don't do alternative investments. We really buy small pieces, large companies, public companies, and we make people money over the long term. That's what we do, is making people money through a smart way of investing.
Now, my kids, I'm so excited. My son's like super into investing, and he's only 14, so I'm so glad that he's got a good head on his shoulders. I, on the other hand, have not made many investments because I've always felt like I didn't really have enough to invest. So tell me a little bit about, for the very beginner out there that wants to start building a great future, how do we start? I mean, what do we do?
Well, I mean, depending on if you're starting from the very bottom zero, what you would probably do is start with, $100 a month, start a good mutual fund that doesn't have any, fees or cost to it. Get that up. Once clients get about $5,000 in a 401k, we then start managing portfolio, start buying XYZ and ABC companies in portfolio to teach them how to invest in a business based on the fundamentals. Is the company making business, making profits? What is it about? Sometimes people, unfortunately, they think stocks are like a gambling chip where, I'm going to buy the next Amazon. And then they lose money. They buy penny stocks, they lose money. Don't do that. If you make a 10 to 12% return on average per year, your money's going to double about every 7-8 years.
Okay, wonderful. Now, if somebody, obviously you're a great person to come work with. You want to work with Brent, but if somebody's looking at their own finances and maybe looking at an advisor they're already working with or one they've worked with in the past, how do you assess that relationship? How do you know if you're working with the right person?
That's a great question, because what you want to do is that advisor giving you the return? Because all our clients know what the returns are all the time. And some advisors, they don't know what it is, they don't want to give it because they didn't do that well. It's a new year. How did you do in 2024? Did you make a good return? Did you not make a good return? Things too, look at the advisor. When you needed something, did they call you back? Did they not call you back for days, for weeks? Sometimes I've heard this. Did they give you the answer? So you want to make sure that the person you're dealing with, because they're working with your financial future, are they knowledgeable? Are they returning your phone calls? Are they there to help you out with what you're doing?
And you also need to consider how this person is getting paid. So what does that look like? I mean, is there a right way or a wrong way? How do you know if you're paying them the right amount of money?
Actually what's so funny is that people are afraid to ask that advisor, how much are you getting paid? Don't be afraid to do that, because this is your retirement. This is your long-term investment. So there's different ways. Commission, which I think is a terrible way to do it, because they win, you lose. Maybe you win, maybe you don't. Commissions are terrible. The best way is a fiduciary with the SEC that has a fee base that they do, and they're not going to be selling you products, because many times that's where they make big money, by selling you products. Annuities are terrible. Annuities, they pay a 7% commission to the advisor, the broker, and I've had people come to us 20 years after they bought an annuity, the money still hasn't doubled. So understand and ask, and don't be afraid to. And if they kind of avoid the question, then you got to say, there's a problem here.
Now I want to ask you a personal question. Why did you fall in love with this career? What do you get out of helping so many?
I almost thought you were going to ask why I fell in love with my wife.
That's for another episode.
Yeah, another episode. I fell in love with the career because it just makes common sense to me. I love numbers. Like people, they see numbers, they say, a bunch of numbers there. I see a beautiful picture. That's what I see. And it just makes common sense to me. Since I was a little boy in junior high school, I remember looking at the stock tables on the paper. It just is common sense to me. I took accounting in high school and in college, and people said, oh, this is so hard. I go, hard? It's the easiest thing ever. Reading financial statements is like a pretty picture to me. So it's just, I love doing it. I'm above retirement age. I hope to do this like Warren Buffett did to like 95. So it's just a great field to be in, and I love it. I love helping out people.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much. He is going to be here with us every single Wednesday, so feel free to send me questions too. That'd be fun. We need to get some viewer questions going.
We can answer any questions.
All right, Brent, thank you
You're welcome.
so much. Don't go anywhere. We're taking you to a brand new spa on the other side of the break.